If you are an artist sa panahon na to ng social media, and you still think na it's all about your art or your artwork. Kumbaga, you let yourself, reduce yourself into just a mere artwork. Ay nasa isip mo pa rin let the artwork speaks for itself. Masakit mang isipin, lalo na sa mga introvert na artist na kagaya ko, pero hindi na siya mag-work. Recently, kumalat sa internet yung mga images resembling the illustration style ng Studio Ghibli. Or to be exact, yung style na pinopularize ni Hayao Miyazaki. And expectedly, nagpahayag ng disgust o disappointment si Miyazaki dun sa nangyayari dun nga sa AI. And I think yung pagbibigay niya ng opinion tungkol sa bagay na to, yung kanyang stand, yung kanyang conviction, yung kanyang ideology tungkol sa mga bagay na to, that what really defines him as an artist. Kasi he's more than just an artwork. Meron siyang damdamin, meron siyang paniniwala, meron siyang ideolohiya, and that what makes those AI Miyazaki art walang value. Kasi nga today, it's more than just the artwork. It's about the artist. Product now is not necessarily the art, but the artist. Sa panahon na to, if you're an artist, be more vocal. Express your ideology, your conviction, your faith. Share vlogs, share time-lapse video, share your thinking behind, your struggles. Kasi you are more than just an artwork. You are an artist. Human ka.